10, looking live at the state attorney's office in downtown Jacksonville. It has now been cleared after several letters containing a suspicious substance sparked an FBI investigation today. Within the past 2 hours, we learned no biological threat was found. Sky 4 flew over the scene earlier today as police and firefighters surrounded the building. They blocked off city streets for hours.
And employees now describing the moments that they learned they were safe to leave.
I heard screaming. People were so happy to go home. Yep, they made a little announcement say, you can go home now and have a good night.
News4Jax reporter Renee Beninati has been at the scene throughout the day. Renee, do we know yet what that substance was?
Mary, we don't know exactly what that substance was inside of the envelopes, just that it was not a biological threat. But the FBI says this investigation is far from over. For several hours, the state attorney's office was surrounded by crime scene tape, firefighters, and police officers. Investigators say it started when they got a call just before 2 this afternoon that the office received several letters in the mail with an unknown substance inside. Sarah Strawmetz works on the second floor of the building. When did you first realize that something was going on?
My coworker left that too, and she said there was cop cars and firefighter trucks. And she was asking me, did we get an email? And we did get an email, but all it said is don't go to the basement.
JFRD says they deployed their hazmat crew, who immediately isolated 2 people who had been exposed.
There was an employee who had been exposed to an unknown substance from an envelope. That substance caused a reaction on this employee's arm.
Authorities sent the substance to a FDLE lab to figure out what it was. Until then, no one was allowed to leave or enter the building. What emotions were you feeling throughout this?
It was a little scary. Mostly, I just wanted to go home, but I had trust that they were going to take care of the situation.
Just before 7 p.m., workers started trickling out of the office. Strawmetz says they got the news they could head home through an announcement over the intercom. Tonight, there are still many unanswered questions surrounding this case. Do we know who the intended target of the letter package was?
No.
Now the FBI is trying to figure out a motive and find out whoever was responsible. If you have any information about what happened here at the state attorney's office, call the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office or the FBI. You can also submit a tip online. We'll have a link to that website on our website at news4jax.com. Reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, Renee Beninati, Channel 4, the local station.